Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome everyone. Dear students, it's a time to show your skill and talent. Yes, inshallah, in upcoming days we are going to witness so many science project competition. Okay, on January 3 in Wanambari, on Jan 11 in Salem, and many more. And this is the TPC Salem College Project Competition. Okay, dear students, and this is for class 6 to 12. 4 students per team can take part. Should present any innovative working model, okay, in the following domains, that is IoT, artificial intelligence, robotics, electric vehicle, and smart city. Yes, my dear students, a good opportunity is waiting here to show your skill and talent, your creativity, as well as your innovative ideas. Yeah, science na, it's a mother of all invention. Everything is impossible theoretically until it is done and tested practically. Experiment. Life is all about experiment, my dear students. Experiment. So science exhibition is a is such kind of a platform to show your skill, talent, okay, innovative ideas to the world. Make your dream projects, present it to the world, and rock it. Yes, make a robots, make a drones with new kind of an applications. That is what very important. What is the use of your project? Okay, so simple, you can win so many awards, rewards, cash, certificates, your name, fame. Yes, you can and you will, but with the new ideas, my dear students. Think a new creative idea, write in the paper. This is the first step. Just write your ideas in the paper, then design a working model. Okay, design an working model on the paper itself, then google it. Okay, what are the materials required, what are the procedure to conclude your project. Okay, what are the coding we have needed here, sensors. Okay, dear students, just google it and watch out the youtube videos, how to make robotics, how to make drones, how to make satellites. Okay, how to insert those sensors into the robots, what are the programming process, what are the programming languages. These things you just google it. Okay, dear students, you are the best future scientists, I'm sure. If you do some project now, you have holidays, make use of these holidays. Okay, so inshallah I'll be waiting for your wonderful project on a reopening day. Okay, so simple point, think a new idea, make it to the working model. Okay, if your ideas now, if you want to work on your ideas, then some other will work and some other will get a name and fame. Simple point. So here, my dear students, as a school level, we are going to witness so many competitions. I said na, this is the time to be creative. Okay, so let's see with the working model. Be on there in the school, inshallah, on Jan 2. Jazakallah.